25 for 50%. 25%. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Mids full sweep.
Whoa! Gotta remember that on the turns.
Gear up. %. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. 20. 0.
Under 3.
0.
Under 30.
Under 3 in each one. Technically, I killed that battery. So I'm hoping that's not the case, but
25% 0. 25 for 0. Gear up. 50%. Fuel remaining 2 minutes 36 seconds.
only problem is it easy to over control it.
0. 50%. Altitude 467.5 feet. Percent. 50%. Landing flaps.
You don't need an F-22. You already fly that one like a fighter plane.
I know. Well, trust me, you think so, but I'd be flying that F-22 a lot crazier than that. Well, I don't know. See, with no wind, this thing just... Well,
25%. Gear up.
Man, that thing just disappears at certain angles, though, doesn't
It does.
Time remaining
Especially
3
get those
minutes.
clouds in the
Oh
background.
my God, that's even faster. Did you increase the rate?
No.
Or you're just going faster?
You got the, you set up your elevons, all right?
Yeah.
50%.
Yeah, that thing's just around the smaller ones.
Yep.
50. 0. 50%.
I haven't had any doubt about ever getting one. You just convinced me. There's no freaking way. I couldn't see that thing like 3 different times.
Well, it's one thing if you get it back, but then if you lose it and you can't steal that thing out, now you can't steal it away.
50%. 0.
That's probably the best thing about this.
25%. 50%.
Pretty hard to lose.
Yeah.
Nice upside
Engage.
down.
50%.
Thank you.
50%. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 3%. Gear up.
Oh, God. Hey, that's against the law.
50%. 0. 25%. 50%.
Wow.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I might ought to have more expo in my ailerons than that.
I would if you're having trouble keeping it straight like
Well,
this.
when I take off, I tend to bank harder than I need to. Sometimes.
Then definitely consider that.
I think I've got it at 40.
50%. Time 50%. 0. 25 for 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 25%. 0. Percent, not 0.
I switched it.
25.
I rode in the back. It wasn't in a seat. I was sitting on the floor. I think I was strapped down somehow. It belonged to
Yeah. Yeah, we would go do spin hops, and then if you were a little slow, taking out your anti-spin, your spin recovery controls,
Yeah.
it would go into another one that was
Some of the jet fighters and stuff, if you get them in a flat spin, sometimes there's no way to get them.
They were afraid that none of us would be able to get out. I know the A4 was.
Nice landing, eh?
No, he put the gear down, didn't he?